Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit, touted as the best hand molding kit for kids available in the market. Whether you're looking to create a memorable keepsake or a fun family activity, this kit promises to deliver. Let's explore why it's been a hit among families and craft enthusiasts alike. Imagine capturing a moment in time with your loved ones that lasts forever. The Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit offers just that. Designed for creating detailed hand molds, this kit is not just a craft project but a cherished memory-making tool. Let's break down what makes this kit stand out. It includes a large plastic molding bucket, premium molding powder, casting stone, sandpapers, sculpting tools, gloves, and a comprehensive instructional booklet. This means you have everything you need to get started right out of the box. The molding process is straightforward yet captures intricate details like fingerprints, ensuring a lifelike representation of hands. Ideal for families, it accommodates up to 2 adult hands or multiple children's hands, making it perfect for creating keepsakes of growing families. The kit's materials are designed for durability and ease of use, ensuring a smooth casting experience. For optimal results, follow the detailed instructions provided. Start by mixing the molding powder with water to create a gel-like substance. Then, carefully submerge your hands or your child's hands into the mixture and wait for it to set. Whether you're commemorating a milestone like a birthday or simply looking for a fun family activity, the Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit stands as a testament to creativity and bonding. Check out the link in the description to bring home your own kit and start capturing memories today.